Oh, it's fighting. Wow, the bug is fighting back. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. It's beautiful. This spider has been here for so long. He hasn't caught a bug. And I put some old meat next to him, some steak, and I was trying to get him help catching a fly. And I just got back to the camp, and I see he finally caught a bug. And the bug is, perhaps it's a bee, or perhaps it's a stink bug, or perhaps it's some kind of creature. But he's shooting I guess a spider web on him from his butt. It's fucking awesome. Wow. That's beautiful. Amazing. Well, Mr. Spider, have a great day. Bye-bye.